Avocados are full of fat. But don't worry, it's the good kind of fat. Avocados really do have a lot of fat in them, about 20 to 25 grams per fruit. Well, lucky for us, it's mostly monosaturated fat and polyunsaturated fats, which are the best kind of fats to eat in a healthy diet. Healthy fats have been shown to lower your bad cholesterol and total cholesterol. Also, because these fats can help fill you up, you may be satisfied with a smaller amount, which could help reduce your total intake of fat and calories. So overall, if you're looking for a healthy fruit that's going to make you feel energized, improve your overall diet, please switch over to avocados if you're not already. Eat it in the morning, eat it in the afternoon, and eat it at night. It's completely good for you. But of course, you want to make sure to minimize throughout the day. But overall, avocados has shown to show more health benefits than anything else. So get your avocado and taste up.